Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we'd like to talk about XAI USDT trading pair with my custom market set updates. Let's dive in. First of all, I highly recommend you not skip the post because you remember this FIB and how to work with initiation accumulation pump model. I highly recommend you go and check free educational video so you will understand the logic of these levels. And like you can see, we almost touch the best zone to buy. So we stop it at 16 cents 59 and 14.43. It was the best zone to buy. So yes, if this winter will be bearish for alts, you know, we can see one more leg down like this one, consolidation in winter and going higher. So this is going to be the pretty bad case scenario because now everybody talk about the altcoin season. And yes, it looks like we're ready to fly, you know, going to next main targets, water market for altcoins. But we work only with possibilities, so we can't know. For continuation, we need to sweep that high around 42, 43 cents, breaking out and retest 46 cents, collapse it down maybe one more time to OK zone to buy. And if we hold it, because we will break the structure, you know, so like this one, breaking out, then maybe form some like double bottom, you know, and we need to hold the line around the 24, 22 cents, you know, not drop to the new low. In this case, yes, it's going to be the double bottom, and the target will be, I guess, the first zone where we need to fix some swing trades. You know, if we're not breaking out this K level, you know, and make a move like this one, we can consolidate or even collapse it down based on some news. So guys, all targets basically relevant. This is a after listing. I showed you the zones here. This zone is okay zone to buy. This is a bad zone to buy for accumulation. Invalidation of this idea if we drop under 2 cents. Of course, I don't think so. This token will dump on the listing price on the Binance. So this is my take. So if you accumulate it, for example, exactly even at 661 level by FIB 24 cents, now you can be in profit 52%. To fix profit now or not, it's only up to you. You can, from this zone, from 31, 24, 14, 10, you can build a average entry. So this is a point where you need only here, start, use DCA strategy. No makes sense to hop pin token after listing here. No, because a lot of people just misleading with the Celestia model. Everybody start thinking, so after listing, every single token should pump like Celestia. But guys, it doesn't work like this one. In most cases, the model where we use it, initiation accumulation pump model, this is the future for the tokens after listing. So the main case scenario, bullish one, we need to breaking out that top, maybe reject at 46 after 100%, for example, profit like this one. It can be 48, for example, and then we can going down into first 2 weeks or second 2 weeks of December, you know, consolidation. And after that, January, February, and the spring, go into the main targets. This block is okay for accumulation. This block okay for accumulation. BTC, guys, I remind you, almost at 100K. And if BTC going higher and BTC dominance also going higher again, the altcoin can drop. Zones for fixation of swing trades is here, 70 cents, 75. And also, we can't know at this current moment if it was the last bottom or not. That's why it's hard to say. We need to build a structure, a new one structure, something like this one, to sweep that high, this high, and this high. And yes, I think this token will hit a new all-time high over than $1.63. Definitely, this was not a top for that asset. But be careful because only 30% tokens unlock it, and we get a big difference between the market cap and FDV. 260 market cap, almost 1 billion FDV. Check the vesting schedule and understand the logic of the unlocks. It's hard to say, are we past at the bottom or not? Because in the moment, we can't know. Bullish targets, I showed you, you know, for continuation. Where we stop when we sweep the high, nobody knows. So it's just the open space price discovery mode. That's why I would like to track the next 2 weeks of December, track what will happen with BTC and Ethereum BTC trading pair. If we take a look on the weekly time frame here, why we're still early? Because we can, of course, on direction form something like this. On double bottom is going to be the bullish one scenario and the positive one. All this impedance is accumulation. So I truly believe the whales accumulate the token to bring the FOMO later, distribute the tokens higher. So after correction or without a correction, from current prices going higher or not, or like this one, this going to be the perfect scenario. Form that divergence on the weekly time frame, it's going to be the perfect case scenario. Now we're just in the middle. I don't like the situation like this one. On daily here, what is kind of bad? We at the top, this one, and with kind of signals to fixed profit. So this kind of bad. We never seen this kind of signals to fixed profit. Also, this is a free on a daily. Why? Because guys, you should understand here, we already pumped it like 100%. Yes, it's not a big deal, but we got unlocks and we still got the best zone to buy for accumulation. So the whales needed time to accumulate more, to distribute later more and more at the higher prices. The last money inflow was exactly the beginning of November at 16 cents 66. Then step by step they distribute. So now it's definitely not a main accumulation zone. Also, here's how the whales accumulate on the weekly time frame. It's for investment. This one June and this one August. So let's say 1922 and 2651. The average entry there can be like let's say 25 cents. So at 50 cents, they can withdraw initial deposit, when we're going to close this weekly gap like this one. So it can be like 50, yes, test of weekly gap, 50 cents, 49. And after that, going down into correction, small pullback anyway, guys. And so now no signal to money inflow or money outflow. Last two indicators, trade on weekly, no data. Here's how playing out last one. So of course, the daily we use for intraday. The last signal to buy was here, recommendation close position. All this same period recommendation close position. Here was a take profit. So from the last signal to buy, if you hold it, it could be like 67% profit. Now, step by step, of course, we'll see the signals to sell and out of that token. Weekly time frame, take profit, no data. Daily time frame, we trade way over exit line. For me, it's bearish one because most likely we will come back and test the buy line. Buy line at this current moment, it's 14.72, exactly at the best zone to buy. For the fair value of this asset, it's 10 cents 82. 12-hour time frame, buy line, it's 15.44. And for my wallet, it's 11.46. I think we can see something like this move, even test 50 cents. Then slowly but surely going down on 12 time frame, daily time frame, down to test this block again. So this is what I would like to see. Can we pump unstoppable like this one? Of course we can, guys. But all zones I showed before. Now this is updates. So zone for accumulation was here and this zone. It's not unnecessary, so the token should drop to all of that zones. But from 30 cents up to your own risk, you could accumulate. Accumulate now, of course you can accumulate. If you get a plan for accumulation, this token for a little long run, So it's like 35 cents. And for example, just to build a plan, you buy in here. We pump like this one. We drop here. You buy also in the best zone to buy. Your average will be like, 20 cents. What do you have to do next? After this move, 100% you withdraw initial deposit, then ride with the free tokens to the middle targets and to new all-time high. So that's the plan, guys. And where we stop after this high, nobody knows because there is just a price discovery mode. So guys, I hope you like this video. Wrap us in the comment what do you think about XAI. If you would like to trade as my customer XAI, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.